Hello Montfortians, I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn the back exercise of chapter 6, that is storage devices. My dear students, in this chapter we have learned that there are so many devices in which we can store our data. Data like photographs, music, games and documents. So what were the storage devices we have learned in this chapter? They were pen drive, floppy disk, CD, DVD, BRD. Okay students, so let's learn the question answers. Question 1 is, name 3 types of disk which are not fixed inside the computer. My dear students, you have to name 3 types of disk which are not fixed. It means which are not fixed inside the computer. They are CD, DVD and floppy disk. CD and DVD, they look similar, right? They are in round shape, and floppy disk is in square shape. It is made of plastic. Okay. Now see question 2. Name 2 types of most popular storage devices. The most popular storage devices are pen drive and memory card. Pen drive is a portable device, right? We can carry it easily. We can put it in our pocket also. And memory card, it is also present in our mobile phone. We store our images, photographs, documents, music, games. We insert it in our mobile phone. That's why it is the most popular storage device. Now the third one. Where can we store our data permanently in a computer? My dear students, we have learnt in the chapter that in hard disk we can store our data permanently in a computer. And where hard disk is located? It is fixed in the CPU of computer. Okay students, so hard disk is the permanent storage device. I hope these questions are clear to you. Now let's learn the back exercise. Now see the B part. Write the full forms. My dear students, you are provided with some full forms of storage devices. See the number 1. DVD. Full form of DVD is digital video disc. Number 2. CD. Full form of CD is compact disc. Students, DVD and CD, they are both in round shape and they store data. Number 3, BRD. BRD stands for Blu-ray disc. It looks similar with DVD and CD, but it is in blue color. So BRD stands for Blu-ray disc. Now see the C part. You have to circle the correct words. Number 1 is a floppy saves data permanently or temporarily. You have to circle the permanently because floppy always save data permanently. Number 2, a CD is output or storage device. We have learned in the chapter that a CD is a storage device. So, circle the storage device. Number 3, hard disk is a removable or non-removable storage device. Students, we all know that hard disk is fixed in the CPU of a computer and it is a permanent storage device. So you cannot remove it. So circle non-removable storage device. Now see the next part, that is true or false. Number 1, BRD is fixed inside the CPU. Is it true students? What is fixed inside the CPU? It is hard disk. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU. So write down false because BRD is not fixed inside the CPU. So write down false. Number 2, hard disk is permanent storage device? Yes, hard disk is a permanent storage device. It is inserted in the CPU of computer. So write down true. Number 3, hard disk has more storage area than a floppy disk. Answer is true because floppy disk stores very small programs. But hard disk, it has large data. Okay. Number 4, we cannot store data on a DVD. Is it true? No, it is not true because DVD is a storage device. So of course we can store data on a DVD. Write down false. Okay students, now come to the next part. Help me find the correct storage device and name them. You are given with some options. You have to write down the correct one in front of the line. Number 1. I want to store 3 movies. My dear students, if you want to store 3 movies, it means it is a less data. So where you can store it? We can store it in a DVD. So write down DVD. I want to store large data permanently. See it very carefully. Permanently is given. It means we can store it in hard disk because it is fixed inside the CPU. Write down hard disk. Number 3. I want to store games in a device that can be used in mobile. What we have in a mobile? We have a memory chip. So write down memory chip. If we want to play games in a device, so we can put memory chip in our mobile phone. Simple. And memory chip is also known as memory card. So don't get confused in this. Number 4. I want to transfer songs in a portable device. So now what is a portable device? It is a pen drive. So if you want to transfer your songs, you can transfer it in pen drive also. So write down pen drive as it is a portable device. Okay.